Hey guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Marpipe, a tool that lets you create your ads and test different versions of your ad creative in just minutes to discover the big winners. They are a design ads tool plus a Facebook management tool with analytics. So you're going to create Facebook ads on Marpipe and you're going to deploy those ads on your Facebook ads account and you're going to run automatically those ads and Marpipe will create the analytics for you so you can understand if your efforts are working and also which kind of variants, which kind of Facebook ads is performing best using the tool. So let's see how the deal works. You're gonna get the Marpipe solo plan and you can stack up to 3 codes. You're gonna get all update to the solo plan and you have the right of 4 tests per month if you buy 1 code. If you buy up to 3 codes, you get 16 tests per month with up to 1,500 ads per test, unlimited users, and unlimited connected ad accounts. So you can go pretty well with only 1 code if you don't run many Facebook ads per month. So they are being really generous on this deal on AppSumo. And here is the homepage. I'm gonna sign in to show you how the tool works. They have a pretty nice quick start here. I do recommend you to watch all those videos that they are gonna go through step by step to make you understand all the features. And it's pretty easy to start to use. You're gonna create your ad with your variant and then you're gonna deploy the experiment on your Facebook account and you will see the result on their intelligent tab. First thing you're gonna do is go to settings and connect your Facebook account. Pretty easy, 2 or 3 clicks and you are connected. And here you can see here's the AppSumo plan and I'm gonna get up to 4 tests per month. So tests are the number of experiments that you can transfer, deploy on your Facebook ads account. And here on AppSumo, you can add more codes. Okay, so just go to home to start to use the tool and click on start to create. You can create using a template or a blank canvas. I'm going to create a blank canvas with the experiment name test. So you can see the artboard here and everything is blank. So let's create a pretty standard art here. You can see they have a landscape and a story dimension. Here is the square that is the standard Facebook ad measurements. So you are actually using that one for most of your time. So let's say you want to create our ads. You just drag the image and you can add different kind of copies here and on your library you can create many standard copies that you can add on your Facebook ads account. So let's add that one. You just drag and drop, use code BF15. Okay, you can change the text, the fonts. You can add your own fonts. So it's pretty easy. Just click and they're gonna change the font and the text color, everything on a design tool. So if you want to create a new one, so new black back. Just create a new ad copy. It's gonna be saved. All your copy is gonna be saved. New black bag. We are good like this. And let's see, you want to add variants. You want to know which kind of copy is going to perform better. So you click here and add new image. So I have 3 different bags here. Just drag and drop the bag here. A third variant, drag and drop a third bag here. So we have 3 bags, different bags with that code and that copy. You can add different copies. So drop a copy here. See my new test. So to have 6 creatives with different copies and different image. And then I click here to generate. And the tool will automatically create your ad creatives. So you can see you are just saving a lot of time. Can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 variants. And then the next step is click on launch. My Facebook is connected. And you're going to do the same step on the Facebook that you do on the Facebook ad account, but now here on Marpipe. So you want to reach or your ad to the maximum number of people or send more people to your website, app, or message conversation. I want a traffic, so I click here. And you're gonna add your call to actions, learn more, etc. Everything that they have on your Facebook ad account, you can do here on Marpipe. You're gonna add your URLs, you're gonna select your audience. So the audience, they are gonna have all the audience you have on Facebook here. Select your budget, and you can even select your pixel and add the category of your ad. And I'm gonna click here. I'm not gonna click because if I do that, I'm gonna lose one experience. But then you click here, and they will run the ad on the Facebook for you. So it's a Facebook, it's a design tool plus Facebook ad account. And you're gonna receive the analytics like this, all organized per variant. Do you know what I mean? So you can see the number of purchase, the number of clicks, your CTR, your reach, how much money you spent. Okay, so if you're earning money or not, your CPR, and you can see your top creatives automatically. So let's see that those 2 are selling more. So you're gonna use, for instance, only those 2 and stop the other ones. And then you will reduce your cost per result. That is Marpipe, a tool that lets you create your ads with a pretty nice user interface and also deploy the ads on your Facebook account, receiving the analytics directly on the app. I totally recommend that tool. It's a pretty hard kind of software to find, even one that is specialized on Facebook ads. So they're gonna be better in having more features and maybe videos in the future. So I do recommend you to buy at least one code. If you like that review, please click on the button below and help me to keep going. Bye bye.